Alrighty, Duncan73 house tour time. Oh look, and there's George. So yeah, you would have seen the main video where I did a quick little house tour. Well, this is the full tour. I'm actually filming this right before the new tenants move in, so yeah, gotta be a little bit quick. But anyways, got the keys, so and here we are. Just close that. So throughout this tour, I'm basically just going to be showing the whole place, as well as what the rooms were originally when I lived here, and what I plan on doing with them when I move back in. So we'll start off in here. This was the lounge room originally. I should also say that all the carpet's been replaced with this beautiful new stuff. The old carpet, I've actually got a little sample of it, which I can show you later. But basically, I guess I could also say what the previous tenants have used these rooms for. So this has always been a lounge room, like you would have your couch here, TV there. Yeah, now I plan on using this room as a lounge room / studio. I want to have a nice desk here with all my computers and stuff like that. Shelving all along there, a nice big TV there, and my CRT TV and all my sort of retro technology there. I should say I'm not going to do any real editing in this video just because I want to get it done nice and quickly. So yes, you'll have to use your imagination. Anyways, moving on to this room. So when I lived here originally, this was a dining room. First tenant used this room as a kids' playroom, and the second tenant used it as a third bedroom for their eldest kid, because this is only a 3-bedroom house and she had 3 kids, so technically 4 people living in the house. But yeah, when I move back in here, I want to turn this room into a home theater and just see what happens. You know, maybe my lounge or my couch here, whatever you want to call it. And I want to put a big 83-inch Sony OLED TV on the wall. I think that would be sick. Moving on to the kitchen. Pretty self-explanatory. It's just simply a kitchen. Oh look, there's some keys. Stovetop, it's just your average stovetop really. This is burnt. This accidentally got burnt. When I move back in, I'll probably replace the stove with a electric or induction one instead of a gas one. But as you can see, it still works. Oven, it's just your stereotypical oven, I guess. Still works and stuff like look, here's the top one. Look, main oven, temperature. Lower oven, look, on, temperature. Oh. Yeah, still works. This is where your fridge is meant to go. I kind of want to get one of those LG Mood Up, that's what it's called. I kind of want to get an LG Mood Up fridge, just because I think it would look really cool. And I'd also probably replace this dishwasher because I never really liked it. This is the original dishwasher. When we moved out, we just left it here. But yeah. Family room area, used by both tenants as well. Ceiling fan, really good fan as well, actually, really powerful, which I guess I could quickly show you. While that speeds up, yeah, so when I move back in, I'll probably use this area as sort of a dining room, I guess. Gosh, this is on the maximum speed as well. This thing gets super powerful. Really good fan. When I move back in here, I'll probably use... Yeah, no, this would be a family room, but I'd also put my dining table here as well. Gosh, that's powerful. Ready, the heater's on though, so you stay off. I actually never really showed you this one in here. Might as well quickly. This one's not nearly as good, but It's a fan. This fan will definitely be replaced. I do not like this one. And it did have a little pendant on it, but the second tenant lost it. George, for goodness sakes, man. Don't know what's happening, but yeah, as you can see, this fan is not very good at all, so yeah. You'll be replaced. I've already got a couple fans spare. Yes, I just casually have spare fans. Now we move on to this room. Now, this room didn't actually have carpet originally. I've got photos to help prove as well. So this room here was used as a bedroom by the previous tenants. When I lived here, this was a office/storage room, hence the phone and Ethernet ports down on the floor. When I move back in here, I want to make this room a technology storage room. So like shelves all across here, just boxes, like labeled boxes of cords and anything. So if I'm in sort of a little mood where, you know, I want to play around with some technology but I need a cord for something, I can just come in here, pull out a drawer, grab what I need, and yeah, that's basically it. If that doesn't work out, or my lounge room studio plan doesn't work out, then this room will become another office, I guess. Now, this room is pretty special. This room was actually my bedroom when I lived here, and it was used as a bedroom by the other tenants as well. I'm gonna get rid of this light and oh gosh, I'm crashing into a wall. That light as well, and replace them with some ceiling fans. I think that would be really cool. That's what I want to do with this room when I move back in. Guest room / Bluey room, where basically I just fill this room entirely full of Bluey merchandise. Put a TV up here that only plays Bluey. Like, I think it will be absolutely sick. Some of my friends agree as well. Toilet, laundry, bathroom with a mop bucket, which I think we need to take back. Must have forgotten it. We still got a bit of stuff that we need to take back to our place, but yeah. Here's your heating unit. Recording this early in the morning, and just checking that time, I've only got 4 more minutes to film. Anyways, turn on the light. There was a ceiling fan up here, but whatever. Air conditioner as well. I don't know why I'm showing you guys this stuff, but yeah, basically this was the master bedroom, for all tenants as well. Now, this isn't part of the house, but from this exact corner, this is a sample of the original carpet. So, this carpet hasn't been replaced since it was installed in the late 1990s. Like 1997, I think? So yeah, this definitely needed to be replaced. Sure, I'll miss this design, I guess, because it's nostalgic for me. This new stuff here is so much nicer. Then here, I'll just step out of the way so you can't see me in the mirror. Walk-in wardrobe, got light as well. Look, if I just do this, almost, there you go. You can see yourself. And this is where I filmed one of my attempts to come out of the wardrobe for my new Duncan 73 video, which you would have seen, and I ended the video by going back in here. And then the master ensuite, this bit of carpet here was fixed as well. These are cracking because I'm pretty sure the floor is starting to go in, but it doesn't matter. The place is fully habitable, so yeah, don't worry. The place has been refurbished. It's perfectly good, but yeah, that's basically it for the inside. So yeah, now you saw a little house tour, and I guess I could give you a little, just a peek of the outside. We've still got some stuff to take over, but we got a swim spa, and stuff like that, but with all that, that's basically it. This is the dog den, as I've called it, my little home. So I'll end off by just simply where my couch is going to be for the lounge room and just sit down on the floor. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this little bonus video of me just showing my house, and yeah, hopefully we can move into this place one day. But with all that being said, that is going to be the end of this video. This is just a little bonus video, so I won't really plug anything. It'll be in the description anyways, because it's automatic. But with all that being said, yeah, thank you so much for watching, and as always, the Master of Ruff will see you next time. Goodbye.